Chop it up. Circumcise it, baby.
You're watching Chop It Up with Brooke and Marina.
Where we make things into dick shapes and then chop them up.
Because we are adults. Hi.
Hi. Wait, since we've been in quarantine, I've been cooking more and I've relied on you FaceTiming me to learn, which is how we got here.
Some would consider me a professional chef.
I'm not a professional chef by any means.
You are an actress.
I am an actress, and I pretend to be. I act as a chef for myself sometimes.
You're really good at acting.
Thank you. So, what are we doing here?
I am going to dictate a recipe to Brooke. Brooke has absolutely no idea what we're making today. She does not have the recipe.
All I have were the list of ingredients.
I'm not allowed to confirm or deny until she's 100% correct.
Would you mind, just for my sake and also the sake of our lovely audience, just listing off the ingredients for me so I can hold them up and confirm that I have them?
1 cup of milk, 3 egg yolks, a 1/4 cup of pumpkin puree, a 1/4 cup of granulated white sugar, an 1/8 cup of all-purpose flour.
Baker Joe's.
We also need 2 tablespoons of cornstarch.
Clever girl.
A pinch of grated nutmeg.
I have cinnamon and nutmeg, but then I don't have cloves.
Let's bake. We moved.
You moved.
Okay, just measure out a cup of milk and put it right into your medium saucier.
Wow, that was smart to pour it over the thing.
Grab a bowl and measure out all of your other ingredients.
I'm actually pretty good at separating egg yolks. It's something that it's something I pride myself on.
Really, I hate these little tangles on eggs.
That's what I was just gonna say. Wow, we're really on it together today. I don't like pumpkin. I don't know. I think it's interesting that we're making something that I would never choose to make for myself, but maybe I'll surprise myself.
Maybe you will.
Salty. You're my salt bae.
Teaspoon of cinnamon.
A teaspoon?
A teaspoon.
Half a teaspoon.
More if you like cinnamon. I love cinnamon, so I kind of do like a rounded thing of it.
I think I underdid the cinnamon. Okay.
So now we're gonna take a whisk and whisk this all together until it is smooth.
The bowl is spinning.
Take just a little bit of your hot milk.
Like half a ladle? Like, can you give me?
Yeah, like half a ladle. Whisk the pumpkin mixture as you slowly add the hot milk to your pumpkin mixture.
I don't know why I'm holding it like this.
Drizzle the pumpkin mixture into the hot milk and keep whisking in the saucepan as you pour it in. We're gonna continue to whisk this for a minute. I say a minute colloquially. It's gonna take a few. Brooke, what do you think we're making?
No idea. Oh, it's happening. It's happening. She's getting thick, baby. She's getting thick.
It should look just like a pudding, is what you're looking for.
I have to be honest, Marina, I don't have that much pudding exposure that I would be like, oh, that looks like a pudding.
You know what a pudding looks like. You're an adult woman who's experienced pudding before.
Maybe.
You're gonna take your mixture and pour it into your vessel.
That's some thick ass, whatever this is.
Purists will say it's a good idea to strain this custard through a sieve.
It is a custard.
God damn it! Cooking Twitter is gonna have my ass for this. And now we're gonna stick this in the fridge. Diamond Crystal, if you're watching this, we would like to be sponsored by you. Or KitchenAid too. We'll accept KitchenAid.
Or Trader Joe's, honestly, too.
I would be sponsored by Trader Joe's as long as you don't have to like amplify the Trader Giotto's, which as an Italian American, I think it is Italian American racism.
I think they have people on.
Anyway, okay, I'm just gonna go through the ingredients for this stage for everyone following along at home. Half a cup of water. We know what water looks like, I think. 3/4 of a cup of whole milk. 1.5 teaspoons of salt. A half a cup of butter. And then 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Harry Joseph, thank you.
Baker Joseph, thank you.
And then we'll need 7 eggs.
Have that.
Take your milk, your water, your salt, and your butter. Put it
I have
into
to
the
cut. Wait, I have to cut up my butter, right?
Yes. Yes, you do. All right, now once everything's in there, hit your flame up to about a medium. Okay, while that's melting, let's measure out our flour.
Where is it going? How can I measure it if I don't know where I'm putting it?
Put it in your measuring cups and wait.
I hate that.
Liquid measuring cup. We'll crack 6 eggs. Add the flour into here once we see it starting to simmer.
Are we making eclairs?
No, but very close.
Are we making cannolis?
No.
Then I have a no. Are we making? I know we're making a pastry.
Yes.
But those are honestly the only 2 pastries that I know.
You are so close. Can't say it until you say the phrase.
A cream puff.
There you go.
Woo! Cue the applause. Cue the applause. Okay, I think mine is steaming, and I think it's gonna start boiling if I don't. So I'm putting. It's happening. It's happening. What do I do?
Lower the flame all the way to low, low, low.
Okay.
And then dump your flour into there. All of it.
All at once.
All at once. And then with your wooden spoon, you're going to stir vigorously.
The vigorous stirring of it all. Okay. How do I know when to stop? It looks amazing.
If it starts pulling away from the sides, and there's like kind of, it looks like a little shiny, and there's like a film on the bottom of the pan, that's how you know it's ready.
Okay, check her out.
Oh, she's perfect. With your KitchenAid, just beat that for a few minutes.
I'm nervous about this.
Take your egg pitcher. It's very important that we only add 1 egg at a time, hence why we're pouring it. And then completely combine our egg into the dough before we add the next egg.
How do I know? When do I stop?
You know when to stop when your eggs are completely combined and your dough looks shiny.
Ooh, that's like sexy.
Get your sheet pan and then put a piece of parchment over it. I'm also using a Silpat. That's what I got, and it will work just fine.
Will you walk me through this? So this goes inside, and this goes on top.
No, other way around. Oh wait, no, yes. Sorry, yes. Correct. That goes inside. Yes. Sorry. I'm sorry.
This is so weird. Okay.
Just from the top, start to push it down.
It's happening. It's happening.
And then twist it.
Can I eat this?
I wouldn't.
I'm so stressed. I'm so stressed.
So straight up, hold it down, and then just a little twist. Oop.
Marina, this looks terrible. Sploosh, sploosh, flick. Okay, I think I've done all I can do for now.
Yeah. Okay. Into the oven for 20 minutes, our 400-degree oven.
I just think that this election is the country is in such an absolute terrible place that we can't afford to not vote.
Yeah, voting. I think we should vote. I think Like I get.
Well, we both voted. So
both voted. I am sympathetic to those who are like anarcho who think voting and electoral politics are dumb as shit. But listen. Marx and Engels believed in electoral politics.
He wants to enforce gun control with universal background checks and an assault weapon ban, which, wow, look at those dicks.
Let me see. Wow.
Wow, yours look perfect. Wow, stunning. Oh,
Are you ready to pipe?
I'm terrified. Absolutely. I'm so nervous. Did you just say you wanted to fill the dicks with vanilla?
Yeah, I did say that, unfortunately. And now I'm gonna stick my thing in there, and I'm gonna fill it up until like the puff starts to feel kind of heavy.
Wow, this is extreme. Oh, I splooshed too much.
Cheers, babe. Love you.
Love you.
Mmm.
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 Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Well. Well.
It wasn't even a dick one.
Well.
Ooh, truly excellent.
I would say this was a success.
Thank you, Brooke, for teaching me a little bit about Joe Biden's platform.
I don't think I told you anything you didn't already know, but thanks for chopping it up with me while I chopped it up with you.
Thanks for chopping it up with us. Don't forget to vote.
Oh.
Just do it.